In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a contact on Zangi. To delete a contact on Zangi, launch open the Zangi application on your mobile device first and log in if necessary. Now, go to the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen and scroll through the contact list to find the contact you want to delete. Find the contact you want to delete and tap on their name. This will open up the info section where you'll need to scroll all the way down and look for the Delete Contact button. To delete the contact, tap on Delete Contact, confirm deletion by tapping on Delete once again, and you will then be able to delete the contact from your Zangi account. So that's how you easily do it. Deleting a contact on Zangi will remove them from your contact list and they won't be able to see your updates or reach out to you unless you add them again. The contact will remain in the group chats unless you leave the group as well. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.